Is your Mac slow and you don't know how to speed up your Mac? Please keep watching this video. I will show you 5 ways to speed up your Mac. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sasrikal, Здравствуйте, and welcome to another video from AriaVision. So today I will show you guys 5 simple steps that can improve the performance of your Mac. Okay, so we start with the number 1. Number 1 is at uptime. What do we mean with the uptime? So uptime actually says when was the last time that your MacBook was properly rebooted or shut down. That actually helps maybe 50 or 60% to improve the performance of your MacBook. So it actually your MacBook, after taking that step, it shouldn't be so slow as before. So how can you see that when was your MacBook for the last time was rebooted or shut down? So just simply go to magnifier, search for terminal, that's which is equivalent to command prompt in a Windows operating system. Okay, once the terminal is open, type uptime. Alright, so you can see here that my MacBook was not shut down or rebooted for 14 days. So for creating this video, I didn't actually shut down and rebooted my MacBook for 14 days. Okay, so it's very important that you actually, I will suggest you guys to turn off your Mac or just reboot it once in a week, and it will keep the performance of your Mac on top. So with this step, actually it should actually 50 or 60% it should actually improve the performance. So if that will not resolve the issue, alright, so and then we move on to step number 2, which is folders, pictures, videos, if stuff, if you got anything or any download application that you have on your desktop. So like I've created here a sample, so I've just left some of the movies that I have on my desktop. So Mac is actually created that you should keep the desktop very clean, because it will actually affect the performance rebooting of your Mac. So by simply just create a folder on your desktop and move all the loose pictures, videos or files to just simply one folder. Okay, so and then this folder you can just move on under your document. You should do that. So it's very simple. Just click on the go and then documents. You can just drag down that folder under your documents, and it should actually fix the issue. So that is one of the step number 2. If still that didn't resolve the issue, so we'll move on to step number 3, which is also 30% of the time that will resolve the issue. So it is the update. So make sure that your Mac operating system and Microsoft Office application that you have installed on your Mac, it is always up to date. So okay, so just simple click on Mac icon and then system preferences. As you see that I have already one pending update which I need to install. So when you have any update which waiting pending to be installed, it will actually affect the performance of your Mac. So just by simply update now, and then it will reboot your Mac. That should actually resolve the issue. And if okay, there is other ways. If it not will resolve, that's we will move on then to step number 4. Okay, so step number 4 will be the storage. It's very important to have enough storage on your MacBook. Even the Mac Genuine Bar recommending that you should have 50 GB storage, so your Mac can operate properly. Okay, from where you can see how much storage you have. So just click on Apple icon and then about this Mac. Go to storage. As you see that I have enough storage because my MacBook, I recently just purchased my MacBook like almost 3 months ago. So I got enough storage. But we always, as a Mac user or even Windows user, we have some downloaded folders, or we have applications that we're not using anymore, or just recycle bin is also taking a lot of space. But something we're forgetting to empty recycle bin or just remove some applications. So by simple, you can manage that one. Just click on manage. Just go on application which you have installed. As you can see that iMovie installed, GarageBand, Friends. I have installed, so, and then you can see the size, which how big they are. Okay, so and from there you can decide that if you want to move the deleted application or not. Just click on highlight the application, then delete. It will free up some space. And the important thing that we always not taking in consideration is the recycle bin. As you see here, that my recycle bin is already data of over 8 GB. So I basically should empty recycle bin, but yeah, I need some of the files from there, which I will later on copy to an external drive. So make sure that this one is deleted as well, and then from here you can see which folder, how big they are, and yeah, just from there you need to make the decision if you want to keep the files or just copy the files to some cloud storage or external drive. So we got like OneDrive for free, Google Drive. That was like a lot of them. So just decisions up to you. So where you want to move them, or you want to just delete them. But just you should always make some space free for a Mac to operate properly. So minimum, should keep in mind, minimum 50 GB is recommended by Mac Genuine Bar for performance of best performance of a MacBook. Alright, so we will move on to step number 5. Okay, and that is also one of the things that you will be surprised that affects the performance of the MacBook. So for example, the browsing history of Google Chrome or Safari, when we're using it, we just like to close it like that. Just click on the cross, it will close. You're thinking that, but that's not the case. As you see, that is like a white dot. It means that Safari is still operating at the background and it's using the cache memory of a Mac. And how can you see that which application is using the cache memory of MacBook? It's very simple to find out. So once again, just click on the magnifier and type activity monitor. So okay, so when activity monitor is open up, you will see how much CPU memory they're using. So I've got already tab of memory open. You can also click on the CPU. Of course, you can see how much CPU they're using. So click on the memory. Okay, let's go for Safari. For example, I even just today opened them, so it not uses too much, but as you can see that iMovie is using almost 900 MB. So because I'm using it for the one project, I will be not closing the iMovie now. So but from here you can see which application or which systems what you're using. Okay, so how you can close Safari properly. So just click on Safari, it will highlight Safari from here. Just click on Safari on taskbar and then say quit Safari, and it will quit properly, and then it will close down. As you see, it's gone from here. Okay, so also you see the activity monitor effect. Click on the cross, it will not close, it is still open here, and iMovie is also open here. So just click again, highlight the activity monitor and quit activity monitor, or just simply command and Q. It will quit the application or the browser or whatever you're using it. Okay guys, so that was the 5 golden tip that I had for Mac users. And if you need any help, please do not forget to leave a comment below, and then I will come back with some help or advice. Okay guys, once again, thank you for watching, and do not forget to comment, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.